I just got the question on why an Excel report was not opening up in Excel, and I thought might as well make a little video of it. Maybe there's other people out there who will have exactly the same question. So when producing an Excel report here with BoPrint, we press the icon indeed to take it out, and it comes out in some kind of a text editor, comes out as XML code. It's an easy fix. We just have to go to the settings of the report, go to Outputs, use the external viewer. OK, press the icon again, and this time it will be opened as an Excel sheet. That's all there is to it. Now, just make sure that you press the icon to save these settings so you never have to change it again in the future.